Openrouter is a platform that gives you access to free AI models, including those from Deepseek. Deepseek provides free API keys that you can easily integrate into your apps or website. You can find these keys directly on the Openrouter website. With a range of powerful models available at no cost, it's a great starting point for developers and creators. Scroll down to explore the list of available models. Free models are clearly marked on the far right of each listing. For this video, I'll be using the DeepSeek R1 model, which is trained on 2.2 billion tokens, but feel free to choose any other free model that suits your needs. Once you open a models page, you'll see detailed performance metrics. Since we're interested in using the API, go ahead and click on the API tab. Here, you'll find the necessary request headers provided in multiple languages like Python, Curl, OpenAI Python, and more. However, in this video, I use TypeScript for the code. Next, let's create an API key. This will require you to sign in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. After logging in, make sure to accept Openrouter's terms and conditions to proceed. Now, click the button labeled Create API Key. You'll be asked to provide a name for your key. You can name it anything you like. Then, click Create. You'll be given an API key. Make sure to copy and save it somewhere safe. You won't be able to view it again after this step. This key can be used with any OpenAI-compatible app or in your own code. For this video, I've already written a simple HTML file, which you can find linked in the description below. Once you open the code, look for the section that says Add your API key here. Replace that placeholder with your actual key. Save the HTML file to apply the changes, then open it in your browser. Once the file is saved, locate it and open it in any browser of your choice. You can ask it any questions, and you'll receive responses instantly, all powered by DeepSeek through the Openrouter API. This setup gives you a simple yet powerful way to integrate AI into your own projects, completely for free. Feel free to experiment with different models or extend the functionality further. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the source code.